What's going on YouTube? GSM right here. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to jailbreak iOS 14.6 and even iOS 14.7 beta on the Pre-A12 devices. This video is brought to you by AnyTrans, a software that allows you to manage all the content on your device, transfer photos and music and videos and apps easily, and of course back up everything you have on the device. Definitely check it out on their official website on the iMobby.com. There is a free version available for both Windows and macOS. So in order to jailbreak the iOS 14.6, you can use the checkra, which although it hasn't been updated for iOS 14.6 yet, the latest version supports 14.5, you can still jailbreak 14.6 without a problem. So as you probably know, the checkra jailbreak cannot be patched, so it's easily one of the best jailbreaks in the world. Now unfortunately this one supports only the iPhone 10 and lower, so the Pre-A12 devices, A11, A10 and so on. So if you have a newer device, you're going to have to wait for the Uncover to be updated or for the Turin jailbreak to be updated. However, if you do have one of these supported devices, like the iPhone 10, the iPhone 8, the iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 6S and so on, you will be able to jailbreak with no problem the iOS 14.6 and 14.7 beta. So to do that, you have to download either the macOS version or the Linux version, which is available here on all downloads. Unfortunately, there is no Windows version available, and once you have it, it looks like this. As you can see, my device says in here, sorry, iPod Touch 7th generation is supported, but iOS 14.6 is not. It says in here supported versions are 12.0 to 14.5.1. However, I can make 14.6 work with the checkra jailbreak. All you have to do is to go to options and make sure that you press skip A11 BPR check if you have an iPhone 10 or an iPhone 8, and make sure that have allow untested iOS selected in here, and this one will basically allow you to jailbreak iOS 14.6 even though it's not supported in the checkra application. Now do keep in mind that the checkra doesn't support iOS 15 beta at this moment. It only supports iOS 14.7 beta or lower. So I'm going to press start here, and the device is now connected, and you're going to get a warning like this. This device is running an OS version which was not confirmed to work with the build of checkra. Device may fail to boot or become unstable. Luckily, the community has already tried it, and apparently it works fine on 14.6. So I'm going to press OK in here, and my device is now connected. So I'm going to go ahead and press next in here, and it will enter in recovery mode. This is important. Now your iPhone will show a laptop logo or iTunes logo depending on the version, and the power cable. Make sure that you follow the instructions on the screen. So as you can see in here, it says that we need to put it in DFU mode. So for each device this will be different. Some devices require you to press the top button, which is the power button, and the home button at the same time. This device, as well as the iPhone 7, 7 Plus and so on, will require me to press the power button and the side volume down. Now you should follow the instructions here on the screen because those are tailored to your device. So I'm going to press start and follow those instructions, and my device should be in the DFU mode in a couple of seconds. So this shouldn't take long at all. You know that you did it right because it will show device in DFU mode right here. As you can see, device entered DFU mode, and now the jailbreak will start. If it's the first time you jailbreak this device, it may take a little bit longer, and you're going to have to install Cydia after that manually, but you do that directly from the checkra application on the phone. Alright, so after your device successfully boots, it says in here all done. You can press down in here and disconnect the device from the computer, and the rest will be continued on the phone itself. So as you can see, we are now on the device, and now we have the checkra application installed in there. All you have to do if it's the first time is to open the checkra application, press to install the Cydia here, press install again, and that's basically it. It's going to download the base file system, which is not going to take too much, and as you can see, it's now installing Cydia. You only have to do this once because of course you don't have Cydia installed by default, and the next time you re-jailbreak with checkra, which is every time you reboot your device, you're going to have Cydia already installed. And now Cydia is available. We probably have a couple of updates. So you can see we have the repos here, and we do have a couple of changes. I'm going to wait for it, and yes, there are some updates. I'm going to do them, complete upgrade, and that's it. So now the jailbreak works fine on iOS 14.6. I'm actually going to demonstrate that I do have 14.6. Gonna go here to the general and software update, and as you can see, 14.6 and iOS is up to date. If you open Cydia, it does also show that this is iOS 14.6 here at the bottom. So let's try to install Falza. I'm going to go ahead and install Falza here. So Falza File Manager and press install and confirm. And as you can see, everything seems to be okay. Everything seems to install. So you are able to jailbreak iOS 14.6 on the Pre-A12 devices, even though the checkring doesn't officially support it. So you can see we press return to Cydia here and we can open Falza, no problem. And yes, we have access to absolutely everything in here. Let's try to install a theme as well. I'm going to install my favorite theme, which is called Lotus. So Lotus in here, which by the way is free and is definitely a great theme. And this one is going to also install the snowboard and the preference loader and multiple other tweaks it needs. So I'm going to restart the Springboard and be right back. Alright, so as you can see, it now shows the snowboard logo. Now we have to go here to the settings, and then we go all the way down in here. We should find snowboard and we should be able to activate the theme that I installed. So enable, and apply. And that's it. Now if you go back in here, there you go. I am jailbroken and I do have themes and tweaks running on iOS 14.6. So that's how you jailbreak it. Hey, be sure to check out iDeviceCentral.com. Here I post the latest news and of course tutorials and so on, written in a format that you can understand with easy step-by-step guides. So definitely check it out. The website is of course iDeviceCentral.com and it has jailbreak news, tutorials and downloads. Thank you for watching. I am GeoSnow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated and peace out.